Now children, here your question is the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Data are with you. Display the data in a pie chart. Here we have to draw a pie chart. I will show you how to draw a pie chart. But first of all, try to understand it is a relationship from whole and part. Why whole and part? Because pie chart means that we are representing in a circle only. To represent whatever information in a circle with the center, it will form a particular degree angle. So we can say that it is a relationship between whole and part. Now to represent this data, first of all I have to find out central angle for each sector. So here I am finding central angles. First of all for Hindi. So first of all I have to find out for fraction for Hindi. So how many students are speaking Hindi? 40. Total number of students are 70. So like that we can find out a fraction for Hindi language. Now if I want to locate this thing in a circle, as I am knowing complete circle is of 360 degree. So this ratio of 360 degrees, so which multiply by 360. So like that you have to find out. As now we are knowing 36 tens are 360, 36 twos are 72, 2 20s are 40, so that is equals to 200. After that I will find out for English. Now for English, how many are speaking in English? Those are 12. Total number of students are 72, which multiplied by, again I want to find out the central angle and a complete angle, that is of 360 degrees. So here I have to multiply by 360. Now as we are knowing 36 tens are 360, 36 twos are 72 and 2 6 are 12. So it will be 60. Similarly, here I will find out a central angle for Marathi language. So that is 9 are speaking in Marathi. Total student are 72, which multiply by 360. As it is same manner, we have to find out central angle for remaining two also. So 36 tens are 36 twos are 2 5s are, so 9 5s are 45 degree. So its the angle is of 45 degree. Now Tamil language. So Tamil, how many students are speaking? 7. Total are 72 from 360 degree. So 36 tens are 36 twos are 2 5s are. So its angle, central angle is of 35 degree. Now last one is of Bengali. So how many are speaking in Bengali? 4. Total 72 into 360 degree. Again 36 tens are 36 twos are 2 twos are. So 20 degree is of Bengali students. Now after this, after getting a central angle, now we can represent this information in a pie chart. So here I am showing you. Now see, children, obviously to draw a pie chart, you have to draw a circle. It should not be very much small. Of a proper length circle of your convenient radius, you have to draw. After that, obviously a needle point will be a center. Then draw a radius. Now also, first angle is of 200 degree. So, but your protector is of 180 degree. On that you don't have 200 degree. So what we will do? We will represent remaining all angles and left one will be obviously 200 degree. Now, so I will start from this 20 degree. So 20 degree is acute angle. So think like that. So angle should be like this. It should not come here. Because on the protector, on upper side also angles are there. On the lower part also angles are there. From where you are starting, from here or here, you have to be careful and accordingly you have to represent. Now, a center point of your protector here. On your protector of a 0 degree, one darkened black line is here. So that line should be hidden by it. Keep it like that. Now I want 20 degree. So mark 20 degree using a protractor, and here you write 20 degree, and I will specify of Bengali language. After that, Tamil. Now while you are finding for Tamil, so that time this one will be a radius. So here center point 0 degree point line will be at here. That line and this line should be coincide by each other, and you will draw a 35 degree angle somewhere here. 35 degree. This 35 degree is of, sorry, that 25 Bengali, yeah, Tamil. Correct only. Next is of Marathi. Marathi is 45. So now center point at here, and the radius will be this line. And you will set your protractor here. 0 degree line of your protractor and this radius should coincide each other. Like that you have to keep your protractor, and here you will mark 45 degree of Marathi language. The next is English of 60 degree. So this is, here I am not using a protractor, so I am not getting that exact degree angle. But while you will do it with a protractor, you will get an exact angle. So this is of 60 degree. For this you have to do a proper measurement. Should be like this, 60 degree. This is of English language. Now 200. So obviously this left portion is of 200 degree, and that is of Hindi. Now hope it is understood to you that how to draw a pie chart. Thank you. Some more practice questions are also given in assignment. You may practice it at your